Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is lugasratuka, Electrical Engineering B 2017. I made this video to fulfill the task being raised in this video. I will explain what is a series of FlipFlop, understanding the FlipFlop circuit. FlipFlop circuit is a series of electronics that they make to for on more life and turn alternately. This circuit utilizes the working function of the electronic component of the transistor, a switch and capacitor or condenser. In this flip-flop, a circuit usually use electrolyte capacitor, or called ELCO, stand for electrolyte condensator. The transistor used in this flip-flop lamp circuit can use PNP or NPN transistor as well. Next, the working principle of electronic. The circuit flip-flop lamp is as follows. If the flip-flop circuit is applied to a voltage, the electric current will both capacitor and the capacitor or alcohol will reach to fuel current of the capacity they have is full first, then the transistor. What was best for is the connected the alcohol will get a current that keeps the emitter and collector connected. So, as a result, the LED light get a voltage on each, make it light up until the current in the surface alcohol erodes out along with oxygen. When the collector feed get a voltage, then he will fill the other capacitor until the first oxygen repeated to the transistor and other LED light. This incident repeats itself until the connection is disconnected from the input voltage of power supply. Tool and a material needed: resistor 2 pieces, 56 100 ohm, 2 transistor 2 pieces, FCS 90 40. 3. Capacitor 2 pieces, cepet microfarad. 4. 2 red LED and 2 blue LED, and battery 1,5 volts 2 pieces or power supply atau gearing adapter to with 2 voltage. The tools used to make the flip-flop air circuit are soldered with tin and pliers. This is a LED, a blue gitu. Iyalah. It is a capacitor 2. It is a resistor. Yeah, it is a battery 1,5 2 pieces power supply. Function of component. Function. First, resistor. This is resistor. Yes. Okay. Resistor is an electronic component that serves to inhibit or limit the flow of electricity that flow in a series of electronic. As the resistor function is sufficiently resistive and includes of the electronic component in the category of passive component, that is a resistor. Okay? Yeah. Second, a capacitor. This is a capacitor. Capacitor are passive component that can store electric energy and are variable in different size tips. 3. A transistor. This is yang in black, yang black yang kecil ini. Transistor are the semiconductor device used amplifier, are circuit breaker and switching, voltage stabilization, signal modulation, or the other function. Yeah, this is a transistor. 2 transistor. 4 LED. 4 LED is a function is a electromagnetic component that can emit monochromatic light through a forward voltage. LED is made of semiconductor material, which is a family of diodes. 5. A function of battery. Battery, a function is to provide a battery. 2 battery is a 1,5 volt. Is a function is to provide sufficient for a surge to a device, such as to start the car starters and serve the process on the ignition system, to serve lighting lamps and the other need on the car or motorcycle. Oh, in a flip-flop, yeah, not car and not motorcycle. This is flip-flop. To make next to make the flip-flop Like the steps are as follow. 1. Prepare the incurred component also equipment as shown above. 1. Prepare a lid for LED. Repair of capacitor, 2 capacitor, and 2 transistor and 2 resistor, and a PCB, and the PCB and blue ini PCB. Next, second, plug the solder into electrical outlet. Solder electrical outlet. Pairs of component one by one. The PCB for the installation of alcohol capacitor are marked with its negative polarity. Is well for red long laps is cathodes. 4. Solder the legs of the component of the PCB. 5. Trims the leg of soldering component. Soldering, yes, and soldering. It is, oh man, with cutting player of acid nail scissor turned on by connecting with 2 curl 1 2 battery. Yes, I am and turn on a FlipFlop. Yeah. Kiclok warnanya wait 2 second. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. A light of green and blue. 1 2 1 2 1 2. This is a FlipFlop component made I. Yes, and a FlipFlop and turn on and finish mid eye. FlipFlop TikTok previously are yeah, FlipFlop circuit its series of electronic to make to like or more life and turn alternately. Yeah, and finish previously apologize if there are many mistakes in making this video. Selamat menjalankan ibadah puasa. Marhaban ya Ramadan. Mohon maaf lahir dan batin. Sekian dari saya. Sekian dari I, Lugas Ratuka Listanto, Electrica Engineering B, 2017. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is a FlipFlop. Tuk tak. Input input, in output. TikTok, TikTok, a red, a blue, and green. Yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.